So are you wondering how long it would take to sell your home this summer? Well, according to Redfin, the average home takes about 32 days on market to sell. However, this number is just an average. In reality, some homes sell almost instantly, while others stagnate on the market for months. So why is this? Well, in my opinion, it comes down to three key factors: condition, accessibility, and pricing. So in today's video, I want to break down each of these factors and explain how you can leverage them to sell your home faster. So you can't control your location, but you can upgrade your home's condition before you hit the market. Make sure you take care of any minor repairs up front. You may even want to have an agent do a walkthrough of your home and point out anything that might worry buyers. Small things might not seem like a big deal to you, but they leave a poor impression on buyers. Plus, buyers don't have a ton of extra cash laying around right now due to the high prices and interest rates. So if they don't have to pay for repairs themselves, they may be more likely to put in an offer on your home faster. So buyers rarely put in an offer on a home that they can't see. Being as accessible to a buyer as possible will increase your showings and net you a better offer faster. So I understand it's not always possible to leave the house on short notice, but be proactive. Consider your options on how you're going to best accommodate showings when the home is on the market. Perhaps even having another place to stay could also make it easier to move once you do sell your home and also start looking for a new one. So your initial price is more than just a number. It is the first part of your marketing strategy. Work with your agent to find similar homes in the area that have sold recently to find a good starting point. From there, choose a reasonable initial price to draw attention, create competition, and ideally, start a bidding war. This will help your house sell quickly and therefore increase the price to wherever the market will justify. So hopefully these tips will help you sell your home quickly. In the meantime, don't hesitate to call for a free home selling consultation. I'll go over the details of your home with you, and I'll share what you can do to sell the home fast as well as for top dollar. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.